Good evening, everyone. This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Coinbase stock. So, Coinbase stock is a stock that's hated by several retail investors because Coinbase debuted on the New York Stock Exchange at over $400 per share and has subsequently crashed over 90% all the way down to $30 per share, leading a lot of people to call Coinbase stock a scam, a terrible investment, and Brian Armstrong is a terrible CEO. No argument here, but Coinbase stock does provide a compelling investment opportunity should cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum embark on a bull run over the next few years. Now, Coinbase stock is trading in Wyckoff accumulation schematic number 2. We're either in phase C or phase D, forming our LPS, which stands for last point of supply, as denoted by these lower wicks on these weekly candles, denoting that supply of Coinbase shares are being absorbed. Now, one thing that's interesting to note is the Fibonacci rings, or these orange circles, which indicate that volatility is coming towards an asset. As you can see, once Coinbase stock crossed the 1.618 orange fib ring, Coinbase stock ended up going parabolic. Now, one thing that's interesting to note is that the SEC sued Coinbase on June 6th of this year. And if we go down towards the daily time frame, we can see that June 6th is the exact date that Coinbase stock crossed the 1.618 orange fib ring. We found support at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at $46.61 and catapulted on higher towards $114 per share. So enough about Fibonacci rings. Let's just go back to our Wyckoff accumulation schematic. So the first important Wyckoff resistance level to look at is at $116.30, which we formed on August 1st of 2022. And until we can flip this Wyckoff resistance into support, there's no reason to assume that Coinbase stock is going to new all-time highs anytime soon. The second important resistance level is the automatic rally resistance at $83.32, which we formed on the week of May 31st of 2022. As you can see, the automatic rally resistance level has been resistance for Coinbase stock over the past year, which is where we're trading at now. So there is reason to assume that the price of Coinbase stock is going to go lower over the next few days and weeks because we've crashed 30% since the July high, and now we're consolidating in an ascending structure, or what some of you may call a bear flag. So if Coinbase stock does go lower over the next few days and weeks, I think it's important to identify some important support levels so that we can buy some Coinbase shares on the dip. And one of the ways we can do that is by taking old Fibonacci retracement levels or old trend-based fib extension levels. As you can see, the 1.618 trend-based fib extension at $114.11 coincides with our Wyckoff resistance and has served as support twice. The next notable trend-based fib extension level that we can use as a potential pivot or support is the 2.272 fib at $71. We can also use moving averages as liquidity points to identify potential areas of reversal. So the closest moving average is the yellow moving average at $73.56. And the next closest moving average is the 50 weekly moving average in orange at $63.38. So in other words, anywhere between $63 and $71 should provide us with another opportunity to load up on Coinbase shares. So just in summary, until we can flip the Wyckoff resistance and the automatic rally resistance from resistance into support, there's no reason to assume that Coinbase stock is going towards new all-time highs anytime soon. What's more likely is that Coinbase stock is just going to trade sideways alongside this Wyckoff accumulation schematic. So yeah, that's my analysis on Coinbase stock. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.